What is up, you guys? Welcome to the video. Today we got a really fun day going on. Lots of fun things planned. We are at Colin's house right now. And we got all the IS300 boys showing up today. Looky here, we got Brian showing up. Woo-wee! What up, bro? Oh, what's up, dude?
What up, Savage?
You made it. Oh. Look at that. So I think today we're all gonna be cruising around maybe a little bit, have some fun. Probably go to, yeah, cruise day. We'll probably go to a spot and line up all the cars together, take some pictures. We can compare all the trims. Do we have all the colors? We have a lot of the main colors, don't we?
Oh, that's so fucking sick, dude.
Oh, my new exhaust?
I love it.
Yeah, bro.
That's sick.
If you haven't seen the exhaust video, go down, check it out. Link in description.
Gang.
Lucky!
What up, gang?
Yo.
Gang, gang.
Yo, Brian, look at
his shit right now.
look at Papa Carlos just blessed me with.
Oh, shit.
It's painted.
Damn, it is painted.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
That's so nice.
Paint
That's
matched
sick.
wing, roof wing, that's sick.
Dude.
Just got
That's
to
sick.
put some tape on it, but Carlos said he's got to sand it off, I guess.
So yeah, this is Colin's newest IS300, the third one.
Newest.
Third time's a charm, baby.
Third time's the charm.
It's just gonna poke, watch.
Okay.
I don't have much camber.
I honestly, I got money that this is gonna fit like
It's gonna poke.
perfect.
It's gonna poke like 10 mil.
That shit's sunk.
Oh,
Did it?
it's just poking 10 mil.
Oh,
Yeah, but
I think
it's
that's
not
gonna be
loaded
ice.
yet. It's gonna be mint.
I think it's gonna be ice, dog.
Nah, it's gonna be sunk when he lowers the car.
Hey, do the bottom one.
Final bet.
Well, I'd rather it be sunk than fucking.
It's gonna stick out. Look, it's already way out here, and then it's gonna camber a little bit. It's gonna be like right here.
I got
Watch. It's gonna be a finger length.
We're good.
Place your bets. Moment of
I'd
truth.
be able to turn too.
Moment of truth.
Oh.
Oh man, you're gonna have to lower your shit, dog. You're gonna have to lower your
I
shit.
knew it.
Also, these aren't rolled at all.
Your car said you need to be fucking low, Colin.
Yeah.
I'm supposed to kill it, bro. The height is perfect.
Oh, I gotta get a picture right here. This looks good.
Oh my god, dude. That's the black headlights are...
Chilling. We got all the main colors of IS300s. So what? We're missing the yellow, the blue,
There's
The
some
orange
rare
one?
orange. Yeah, the red orange.
and a white one.
Yeah.
But other than that, we got like 4 of the more common colors. So we got Carlos's. What's this color called again?
Graphite gray pearl.
Graphite Gray Pearl. He's rocking the MB Battles, CX Racing coilovers, Altezza Gita side skirts. Got the mirrors on there.
Oh, don't expose me like that.
Got the cloth seats, Vertex steering wheel, the anime floor mats, you already know.
It's that auto trams too. My auto boys can actually do it.
Oh shit. Auto boys, you just gotta get the center console from the manual and you look like you're a manual boy. But
Swap.
before you do the swap, you gotta do the, you gotta hide it.
You gotta hide it. Fake it till you make it.
Fake it till you make it. Oh yeah, you got 326 lug nuts, essential.
I gotta get gas.
Little catback exhaust. The drift handle. You know, all the little parts, they make a difference. Carlos also has a paint matched wing like Colin's, because you did it at the same time as Colin, huh?
Yeah, I got his paint match. Mako did a really good job on it.
Yeah. And it was cheap, huh? It was like, how
Like
much?
25 bucks.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
That was a legendary later right there.
Yeah, dog.
bitch up. That baby really backing the bitch up.
Look, boy, and the baby backing that bitch up, boy. So, boy, this a real baby, boy. I'm in an apartment, boy. Look at that baby.
Alrighty, so we made it to the parking garage. Carlos isn't here, unfortunately. He had to leave, but we're gonna continue now with Colin's car. Colin's newest car, the 3rd IS. It's pretty much his first one though. Back to his roots. So yeah, we got what you got? CX Racing coilovers. You got the grenade wheels.
Yep. And JZX arms.
And JZX arms.
That's it.
And a,
That's all.
and a straight pipe. And a straight pipe. Catback straight pipe.
Yeah, shittiest catback straight piping rooms.
So people are gonna ask, what are the wheel specs and tire specs? So, what are the wheel specs?
It's so we got 420 by 69 plus 4 offset, and you got to get those 213 by 12 tires. Nice stretch.
There you go. All right, so
That's all it takes.
yeah, there you go. And then let's see. It's pretty much. Oh, you got the clout shift knob and the drift button, because those are the essentials.
Got the bad luck sticker.
Yeah, Colin's always had this sticker, no matter what.
Maybe that's why you keep crashing.
Probably why I keep crashing. I got the license plate frame.
What's this color called again?
Millennium Silver Metallic.
Millennium Silver Metallic.
MSN baby.
BH World sticker, essential.
If you know, you know.
If you know, you know. That's how it is. And then there's the little blast pipe, straight pipe. Pretty simple for now, but more mods coming, definitely.
Like 2 more mods.
Yeah.
I'm trying to be simpler with this one. Less is more.
Yep. So next we have Brian's car, and it's a Thunder Cloud Metallic.
Yeah, it's 1V2. It's a sport design.
Sport Design IS300s. So that means it's like a different silver.
So it's
like
this
a
different silver, a gray, and it comes all with blue housing lights. So all of them are blue chrome.
Oh
Tail
shit.
lights, front lights, fog lights, and it's supposed to come with sport design grille, and all the badges are black pearl instead of chrome.
Oh yeah, the badges are different too. I think that's sick. I think the badges on these are
and
really
they come
cool.
all leather interior.
All leather interior.
And straight suede, not perforated doors.
So it's like a black chrome badge. Is that what it is?
Yeah, it's OEM
The lights
badge.
and
Because like these ones are silver, and then oh yeah, the blue, like it's a bluish tint on the tail lights. Pretty dope. So what coilovers are you on?
I'm on Cusco from Malteza's in overseas. I got them from JDM, California.
Oh okay, there you go. And then you got the BMW wheels, I see.
Yeah, those are the M wheels for E46 M package.
Are they all the rear? Or
They're all the rear 17 by 8.5 plus like 31 something.
okay.
Or is it 8? Or 17 by 8, something weird like that. It's a weak spec.
For sure, for sure. Here's Brian's Instagram if you want to follow him there. And I'll also have his channel linked down in the description because Brian also makes IS300 content.
Yes.
And then Brian's got a similar shift knob as Colin. What's this one called again? The Top Secret?
Top secret, yeah.
Top Secret shift knob.
From him.
From me.
Yeah, because
From Netherlands.
Colin had 3 of like similar shift knobs.
I have too much Japanese stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, hit him up for some Maltesa parts.
I buy one and then I'm like, oh, I don't like it. And then I'm like, I buy another one and I'm like, oh, I don't like it. And then I just have like 3 of everything, like the
Yeah.
same of everything.
Yeah.
Yep.
I also have the Maltesa seats.
Oh,
yeah, he does
yeah.
have the.
Altezza
Altezza seats. Damn, MBN. I like those seats.
Yeah, for real.
They're comfy.
Yeah.
Fully manual. That's what's cool.
Yeah, all mechanical. The other thing would be I have the KFD angle kit in the front too.
Oh yeah, can't
So
forget that.
Offsets at 30 mil. And with that, you have to get GS300 tie rods.
Yep.
And you get more angle.
So that's what Colin's doing next, the KFD
Oh
angle
yeah, I bought
kit.
those today. I gotta ask you if
Oh,
they're
you
the right
did?
ones. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Because they look different than the ones I've always had. Like, given me, like kids.
Colin's got Got some KFD angle kit on the way. I'm running the excessive angle kit, but I might switch to KFD if it helps fix the clunking, because the offset might help with the control arm clunking issue. So we're just testing it out, trying to see what works best.
Did you say why it's this height?
I did not.
Yeah. Well, so exactly what Tim was saying. Like, I can't even go lower than this, or else it's gonna like clunk really bad. Like,
no,
all IS200s are plagued with.
Your control arms are like pinned right now, up top. Right?
Almost. They're
Almost
just to where I have enough travel where it's like not that bad. But like, if I hit a big bump, it'll just smack the top of the like strut tower.
Yeah. So maybe when you get the KFD angle kit, you'll get more clearance and you can lower the front more.
Yeah, I have JJ arms on there right now, so it helps a little bit. But you need more than that. You need to get like. Literally the only thing I recommend nowadays is getting the angle kit, because it pushes out. Yeah, it pushes out your lower control arm more. Well, there's two different types of angle kits, but anywho, it essentially just pushes out your lower control arm more, which brings the upper control arm down, and you need that upper control arm to come down. Yeah. Other than that, the only other thing you should do is get shortened spindles, but it's hard to cut and weld them because it's cast iron, so you really need to know like a really good fabricator. But if you know one, then that's better. It's better to just do shortened spindles.
Get them from a reliable source.
Or you cheat.
Or you just.
Or you cheat. You gotta open your hood now. You gotta open your hood. You have to. You brought it up. You brought it up. You can cheat.
Listen, to be fair, the way Brian did it, it's like not that shitty. Most people just fucking do it really shitty. His is like.
People look at it and they're like, oh, whoa, 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 but like honestly.
Brian's is fine. I've seen so many people who have it like so much more cut out.
Jank.
Oh, he puts it in the bowl. Oh,
little mod right there.
I need to go. Every time I go to the fucking junkyard, they're gone.
Yeah, so Brian just cut out a little like D. It's almost like the letter D, and it just makes it so that, because you see how high that upper control arm is.
Yep.
Yeah, control arm hits up. I mean, right now it would smack it on a bad dip, but yeah, it has all the travel, so my suspension.
Here, look. I'll show it on that side actually. That's it better. So look, you can see the control arm.
Yeah, it's like already about to smack.
And he has the angle kit too. So like literally, if he didn't have this cut, he'd probably be okay.
No, if I didn't have the angle kit, it'd be laying on here.
Yeah, if he didn't have the angle kit,
it used to lay on.
Brian's used to like be touching the metal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So.
Oh yeah, you also got an intake and headers.
Yeah, dude. I have the headers and then an SRS catback and the HPS intake.
There you go. Go for it. And then last, there's my car, which I'll go over pretty quickly. I'm running CX Racing coilovers, Nissan R33 wheels, got some drilled and slotted brake rotors, steering wheel with energy hub, 326 power neck cushions, thanks to my boy Mickey. But overall, pretty simple. Running a full custom exhaust. So I think I mentioned this earlier. I have a video down below of when we made the full custom exhaust for this car.
You want me to explode? Yes! That's what I've been waiting for!
Got the Icy Boys window or side mirror little covers. That's pretty much it. Oh wait, I gotta show the engine bay really quick. So here's my engine bay. I got a engine intake with OBX headers. Yeah. Oh yeah, Jay gave this to me. He used to have a LS 430 and he was like in the VIP scene. So he just had like a little washer cap thing. It's TRD, like it's a OEM from Toyota.
That's sick as fuck.
Like way back.
And he painted this.
Yeah, I went through everything. I painted anything that could be painted and changed all the bolts.
That's what Tim does. He always makes the cleanest like engine bays.
I gotta have like a nice clean engine bay, otherwise it just bothers me.
I don't even look at it.
Yeah, I just leave that shit bone stuff. Well, that's not true. I make it clean eventually, but right now I'm just I always focus on suspension more. So I like lack for engine stuff.
Oh yeah, and then we got the figs, clutch damping delete. This is essential for any manual IS. By the way, all these cars are manual. All three of these cars.
Yeah, we probably have like half of Southern California's manual squadron down here right now.
Real, bro.
Yeah.
Hey, did you guys feel that grind in third gear when we were trying to go up that hill? My shit grind.
I didn't grind.
Yeah.
Oh no, not me.
That shit grind.
Don't tell us that.
Alright, so that's going to be the end of the video today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked what you saw, make sure you hit the like button for me. It really helps out a lot. and subscribe if you want to see more content. I will have everyone's Instagrams down below in the description, Brian's channel, other videos, so make sure to go check those out, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.